Let's write the code for testing input box. So first of all, go to your frameworks, then go to your directory, right click, new file, then we can give the name like test underscore input box dot robot. Yeah, we can see here under directory we have created one robot file. Then we can try to write our code. So our code consists of four different section: setting, then variables, then test cases and keywords. So we need the library, Selenium library. So we have write library, then one tab and Selenium library. Then under the variable section, to test the input box, we have taken the youtube.com. So for URLs, we need one variables. Then for browsers, we need second variables. Then we need one search box. Then we need to click search button as well. So in this section we can take the four variables, and from we can take the xpath, and here you can mention xpath colon, or we can directly write the xpath here. So this about the variables. So now we going to perform a simple case. We need to open the browsers, then we need to maximize window, then in input text box we need to enter best songs, then we need to click but search button, then we need to clear the element text box, then input text box we need to enter best field, then click. That's it. So this is the basic operation on text box. So now we can write the test case. So we can give the name as input text box, then open browser keyword, here dollar URL, and this second variables browsers Chrome. Then the second step is a maximize browser window. Then we can give the sleep for 2 seconds. Then input text, we need to enter best songs. So in search box, best songs input text, then click element search button, then clear element text whatever in search box, then again sleep for 2 seconds, then again input text, and this time we going to enter best field, then click element search element. So uh, as as of now this test case is completed. We can close the browsers, or it will get closed automatically. We can run those browsers as well. So in this code, we know set in settings section, we can write is like 3-star, one tab setting, again 3-star. So setting section is used to import libraries and define setting for the test suite. Selenium library is in Selenium, this is the one library. So this import the Selenium library which provides keywords for interacting with web browsers. Library Selenium library. Then the second is the variable section. So here we can this section is used to define the variables that can be used throughout the test suite. We taken the four variables for URL, browsers, search box, search button. So here first is the URL. So here the this line defines a variable URL with the value https double dot or colon double slash youtube.com. Then browser, then dollar symbol and curly brackets browser, Chrome is the value. So this line defines variables browser with the value Chrome. Then search box, we can write the xpath here directly, and the stores in this variable search box. Then search button, we can write it here, and this is the variables for search button. So now in test case creation, we can see this section is used to define the test cases. So this is the name of the input text box is the name. Then our test case performs the following action, like it will open the browser and navigate these specified URLs, then maximize browser windows, then sleep 2 waits for 2 seconds, then input text search box or best songs. So enter the text best songs in the search box, then click element search button, so click the search button, then clear element, then clear the text from search box as well, waits for again 2 seconds, then we need to enter the best field, then it will again hit a search button. So give this the test case section. Finally the keyword section, this section used to define custom keywords. This section is empty, making no custom keywords are defined. Here we not use any keywords, so this is empty. So as this way we can try the, so now we can try to run those codes. So robot automation slash test input box 2.robot. So click or enter, then here some delay, we can see entering to YouTube, then best songs, then it's clearing, then again best field, and it is closing. So it takes time because due to some loads or internet speed, it takes time. Sometimes due to internet, if it is failing, then we can say the error. Then in screenshot you can see the error of your test case. So here you can see log file, output file, reports file. So report you can open this using browser. So from this terminal also you can right click and open in Chrome. So you can see here summary, status, then you can open the log file as well. Then we can see all tests are passed. So this is a log file, click on those log files, you can see test execution logs. Here if you click that, first open browser, maximize browser, sleep, input text, clear element. So as this way this is the clear report of our test case. So while writing the test script for input box, we need to understand that each script we are writing in 4 section. Setting, this important libraries, we need Selenium library, so we imported here. Then variables, different types of variables or different which are used again and again. We can use the values again and again in our test scripts. If we define one keywords, then this complete code we can store in one keywords. So this again looking beautiful, our format will see great. So a quick summary for this input text box. So we need to take any application URL, then take one search box, find the xpath button. Also we need to find the xpath, and then we need to write those test scripts which are mentioned here. And we saw just now it opening opening browsers, then we entering the best songs, then clearing whatever the search result, then again we are entering the best field, and then finally we again search this. We can close this here or it get automatically closed. So that all things about how to validate test or test input box in robot frameworks. So all those things we need to understand when we making it end-to-end script. Then this is useful in our future scripts as well.